Today, you will learn how to rename a hyperlink in a Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Have you ever pasted a website link into your Microsoft Word document and it looked like a long, ugly URL? Something like this? It makes your document look messy, unprofessional, and hard to read. What does rename a hyperlink mean? Renaming a hyperlink means, instead of showing the full website link, you show simple, readable text like this. But when someone clicks it, it still opens the same website. This makes your document easier to read, more professional, more accessible for visually impaired readers, cleaner for assignments, office work, and reports. If you already pasted a URL and it turned into a clickable link, right-click on the hyperlink, click Edit Hyperlink from the menu. A box will open called Edit Hyperlink. Look for the field Text to Display. Change the text to anything you want. Click OK. Done! Your hyperlink is now renamed. Let me tell you a secret. Most beginners don't know this trick. You don't even need to open the Edit Hyperlink box. Simply click on the hyperlink text, delete the old text, type the new text. That's it. The link will still work. This is the fastest method. By the way, the best method is, instead of pasting a URL and then fixing it, do this. Type the normal text first. Highlight this text with your mouse. Right-click the highlighted text. Click Link or go to Insert tab and choose Link. Edit Hyperlink window opens. Paste your URL into the address box. Click OK. Now your clean text is a hyperlink. No messy URL ever appears. Now you know how to rename a hyperlink. Your Word documents will now look clean